going on, folks? I'm about to show you how you would change out your windshield wipers on a Chevy Malibu. This happens to be a 2017 model, but it's probably the same for about the 2017, 16, 15, 14, possibly even the 18. All you want to do is, when you have your windshield wipers like this, you'll see like a little opening right above the hook part that goes into your windshield wipers. You want to flip up like that. That piece right there will flip up like that. And once you do that, now what you want to do is kind of just press down on your windshield wiper like that. Then you kind of want to just tilt it up, and you'll see that come up like that. And once you have that up like that, it'll come out. So when you want to put them back on, you want to have this part like this flipped up like that. And then you're going to come back in to that opening right below it. You'll see it come in like that. And once you get it in, turn it. Once you have it positioned like that, you just want to pull up like that. Then once you have it down like that, what you want to do is just pop that part back down and you'll be done. Alright folks, once again, this is how you would change out your windshield wipers on a Chevy Malibu. Alright, thanks. Please check out our other videos and please subscribe. Thanks.